Hey friends, it's Dimitri with Rubashka Streetwear. So in front of me here is my daily improvement and project that I've been working on. It's basically a custom cart for the inventory boxes, and the purpose of this is when we get our inventory in and we have to fold and bag the t-shirts and hoodies, there's not really a good spot for the inventory box to go to. So in the past it would be on the floor, it would be right here, but the problem is right here is that it's not big enough. This folder would bump into it. It was kind of really annoying. Then eventually I would put it on this stool. I just brought it out just for this video, but I'd put it on there and that was better, but it was too low and it wasn't mobile. I didn't like it at all. So I stopped everything and I went ahead and took some time to build this cart, and it's made just for this box. Of course, it could be used for other things if I wanted to, but basically, it's just made out of the EMT pipe and the connectors. I put some angle brackets right here to hold up this two pieces of the plywood here, and then there's a stop right here. And the nice thing about this is that it's really ergonomic. So here's my hand outstretched like this. So once we get a t-shirt bagged, we can directly transfer it right here. It's really, really close to it, and it's at an angle, so the inventory will naturally just fall down and stack neater. It won't, fall over like this if the box is flat. So I really, really like that. It's a back saver and it's so much easier. And once this box is done and we got the inventory packed, you can wheel it around and it's really, really much better. So the other thing that I'm going to do this month, my goal is to get the rest of this setup finished. So there's going to be a couple other really cool things I'm going to make to make the t-shirt folding process like that much better. I think you guys will really like those videos. And there's going to be, this whole table setup is going to be done. There's going to be another custom cart made right here for when we get the boxes of inventory. So my plan with that is I want to make a cart where we can take it out from the car, like put the boxes on there and wheel it into here, and then this will be basically the staging area of what we need to fold. Then it gets transferred here. Then once that's folded, obviously it gets transferred here. So it's going to be a whole process of improvement. It's going to be so much better. But yeah, this is my custom cart for the inventory box. If you guys got any value out of this video, or if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.